What's up, guys? Welcome to my kitchen. Tonight for dinner, we are making a super easy and simple fish fry recipe. Honestly, 3 ingredients that you're gonna need. 1, your seasoning. Personally, for this recipe, I'm gonna use this Louisiana fish fry seafood breading mix. I've used it in the past and have absolutely fallen in love with this. You don't need to use any other seasonings other than this packet. This packet will be enough, trust me. Plenty of flavor, very light, very crispy. Family is gonna love it. My kids are pretty picky and they love this recipe. So I hope that if you have some kiddos out there that are picky, they'll love it too. But I have absolutely fallen in love with it. Like I said, the only thing that you'll need is this seasoning alone. You won't need anything else. Now, the second thing that you're going to need for this recipe, of course, is going to be your fish. Being that I'm trying to keep it very light for this recipe, I'm using tilapia fillets. Some people do not like tilapia. I personally do not have a problem with it. You can use any type of fish that you like. If you'd like to use cod, if you'd like to use flounder, if you like to use catfish, those will also work for this recipe. I just personally, for me and my family and my children, the tilapia works really well. The tilapia has already been defrosted. I'm gonna go ahead, get it rinsed, dried, and get it prepped so we can get it in the fryer. Now, speaking of the fryer, the third thing that you're gonna need is oil. I'm using sunflower oil for this one. You can use any type of oil that you prefer, whether it's corn oil, peanut oil. I personally, for this recipe, am using sunflower oil, but again, your discretion, use what you'd like. So we have our fish. What I'm gonna do with these fillets is I'm actually gonna go ahead and I wanna slice them in half. Just like I said, we wanna make it real light. So just to get into smaller pieces, I'm just gonna slice them right down the center, make it into 2s, and then go ahead and start breading those. So I'm gonna go ahead and stack these up down the middle. So go ahead and repeat that process until finished. All right, so I've got all my tilapia pieces cut down into halves just like I wanted to. You could cut them into 4s, however you want to do this, whatever makes it fun. For us, it just makes it easy to throw in the skillet, but whatever works for you. Next, I've got my Louisiana breading mix and seasoning into my container. And I'm just going to go ahead and, like I said, I'm doing these dry. No egg wash, nothing else in this batter other than just dried right in there, mix it up, and right into the fryer. So I'll go ahead and take 2 pieces. We'll go ahead and start with the smaller sections. 1, 2, I could probably throw 3 in there. 3, screw it. All right. Closed up, and then of course, shake it up. If you didn't go to the gym, good way to get your arms day in. A couple reps. All right. Pretty well coated there. All right, so those are all kind of prepped. I'm going to set these aside till I get a few more done so I can throw them in a bigger batch. Go ahead and throw 1, 2, that's 1, 3. Again, shake it well. Got about 6 of those small pieces already breaded and ready to go, so we're going to go ahead and throw them in the fryer. Now, my oil here is about, you can see, medium-high heat. And it is definitely hot and ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and throw those in. You wanna get the fish up to about 145-degree temperature. So we're gonna cook them anywhere from about 4 to 8 minutes and until golden brown. Always, guys, do not throw. Lay these in nice and easy. Always the hardest part, everyone's always afraid. Hear that sizzle, guys? It is cooking, and it is starting to smell good in here already. So, again, we're gonna let those cook for about 4 to 8 minutes, bringing them up to an internal temperature of about 175 and until golden brown for sure. We want to make sure we get that golden brown and that nice crisp. Try not to move it around too much, just let them do their thing, but make sure nothing's sticking. They've got enough room since I only put in those smaller 6 at a time. I don't want to overcrowd it, so that way they can really cook well. Let them do their thing, guys. Now for this meal, we'll be pairing it. We've got some white rice. Also going to be making some hush puppies. Not from scratch, so I won't put that in this video. But if you guys want to see that for a future video, let me know in the comment section what you guys would like for me to cook up for you next. Chef E has all sorts of specialties. Alright guys, that is sizzling, cooking good, smelling good, just letting it do its thing. While that's sitting, I'm going to go ahead and start prepping these other pieces to go in, so when that's set, we can get those right into the fryer. Whew, these are looking beautiful, guys. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and flip these. Ready? Oh, yeah. And those guys are almost done. They've only been cooking for about 4 or 5 minutes. So, like I said, it doesn't take very long, guys. Anywhere from 4 to 8. I am no in way, shape, or form paid or sponsored by the Louisiana Fish Fry Products Company. But guys, if y'all want to send me something, I will be more than happy to take it for sure. Because, like I said, I am in love with your seasoning. This first batch looks like it is done. We're going to go ahead and pop these out. Get these on our paper towel to dry. Yeah, I know that one slipped out. He wanted to go back in for a little oil bath. It's alright, I don't blame you, buddy. That oil looks good. Now, some people, look at this. Oh, can you hear it? Can you hear it, guys? It's sizzling. Ooh, smells good. Now, some might throw a little salt on here afterwards. I'm not going to. I'm telling you, this is all you're going to need as far as seasoning. If you want to throw some salt on there, if that's your preference, go ahead and do so, but taste it first. I said the seasoning itself, for me personally, feels like it is just enough flavor there that you're not going to need that additional salt. Time for the bigger pieces. Let's get these in and finish this puppy up. And guys, whenever you're putting this in, always make sure, put it away from you, okay? Away and easy. Nice and easy. And again, guys, just let them puppies sit and do their thing. For about, like I said, anywhere from about 4 to 8 minutes, internal temperature of 175 and until a nice golden brown. Look at that seasoning. Now, the other main thing that I really like about this seasoning, not only the flavor, but really you take a look at this. Just the way that it coats the fish. Like, it gets a nice even distribution all the way around it. I mean, every piece of fish that I've fried has a nice coating on it. Nice, crispy texture. I mean, I don't normally get that with a lot of my other breadings, right? It's falling off, you might get certain spots. This one doesn't. Really sticks onto the fish. Really enjoy that part about it. Now, if you've used this in the past, let me know in the comment section, guys, how you like this Louisiana fish fry seasoning. Starting to float up. Getting ready to turn them. Oh yeah. That smell is awesome. We only had smell-o-vision. Oh. A few more minutes on those pieces. Now, let me know, guys, when you do a fish fry, what is your favorite thing to pair it up with as far as flavors? Always interested to see what people's preferences are with certain meals. So just let me know in the comment section what you would pair your fish fry with, or what you normally do. Get some ideas for future meals for myself, too. All right, these 3 are done. Let that excess oil drain out. Again, guys, come, you gotta come here and see this. See, look at this. Again, look at that beauty right there. Look at that crisp, like that. Oh, let that oil drip off, and on the plate we go. And again, listen. I hope that you can hear it. I hope you can. Let's listen to that sizzle, man. Oh. I cannot wait to dig in. While that finishes up, I'm going to go ahead and prep the hush puppies and get those ready to go in the fry as well. Like I said, guys, I'm not using anything special. I'm not making these. These are frozen from my local grocery store. Savannah Classics original hush puppies. So I've never had these. So I will definitely let you know how they are. If you have had these before, let me know what you think of these. I have never tasted them, so I could not say yet. I'll let you know after dinner. Cooling down and looking good. All right, guys, these have had a chance to set and rest, and they smell awesome. Now, the last thing that I'll do, just for looks, I'll garnish it with just a little Italian seasoning, just to give it a little color, give it a little extra zest. Just let them set and rest, and then I typically just garnish with a little Italian seasoning. Nothing major. See? There we go. And guys, that's it. Super quick, super simple, super easy. Fish fry, seasoning, fish, oil. That's it, guys. That's all that you're going to need. And I'm telling you, your friends, your family, take this to a party, a quick, easy meal that's light, that you're going to enjoy. I am telling you, you will love this recipe. I wish you could smell it, because it is amazing. All right, so our fish is set. It has rested. It is garnished, and there's only one thing left to do, guys. It's ready for tasting. So before I get it out there to everybody else, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bite, see what we're working with there. Let's see. I like this piece. This one seems nice and crunchy. Let's see. Let's look at this piece. Oh yeah, see this piece right here? This piece looks good. Let's see. Yeah, definitely, guys. Oh yeah. For sure. Thumbs up. Oh yeah. That bite was amazing. Oh my gosh, that was so good. I really have my mouth watering right now because I'm so hungry and I'm ready to get at this plate. Now with that said, I am going to get ready to go feed the rest of my family. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. I hope to see you guys soon. Go ahead and give that video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, the ManTube. Right there, hit the subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications to make sure you get alerted every time I post a new video to the channel. Until the next one, have a great night, have a great dinner. Peace.